Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne, the Property That's New York City team. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Coming at you today talking about the New York City real estate market, talking about mortgage rates and what's happening in the industry. So, numbers came out, mortgage rate demand spiked to an 11-year high as rates hit another record low. They went from 3.38 to 3.30 on the 30-year. Yes, people are stuck inside. They're tired. They want to get out. They want to change the pace. People need to buy new homes. So nationally, where there's already a shortage of homes, people are out there. People are looking. Phase 1, 2, 3, whatever phases are, or no phases at all, people are out there shopping for homes. This was the 9th consecutive week of gains in the mortgage application market. So, pent-up demand, high mortgage applications, low inventory. That's a little bit, obviously all markets are different. That's kind of what's going on nationally. Now, New York City, you have a little different story. You had a bull market, booming market, 2015 up until, let's say, maybe 2012 up until 2015, 16, and then 15, 16 sliding down to 2019, coming back up a little bit in 2020. A lot of building, a lot of policy-driven things on top of the market. That could be SALT taxes, that could be mansion tax, that could be transfer taxes, things that the government put in place to make things cost more. So that has had a big effect on the market. International buyers not coming in as much. That started a number of years ago with like the Chinese and other countries limiting the amount of money, amount of capital that can go out. So, the New York City real estate market slowed down, started to pick back up a little bit. Then you have the pandemic hit, Corona time. No open houses, brokers couldn't show, brokers had stay-at-home orders. So basically, brokers, real estate agents have not been able to show for 3 months now. That is supposed to change next Monday on June 22nd. Not finalized, but it's supposed to change. When that changes, and I'll make another video about that, they basically kind of really want you to start with still show virtually, do a lot of the prelim virtually, and then if that doesn't work, do one-off appointments, one party at a time to show the home. So, the talk is, are people leaving New York City? Are people leaving New York City? Are people looking for more space? Or people wanting to get out because of what's going on? Some people are just looking to rearrange. They might want a 2-bed to a 3-bed. They might want a 3-bed with a backyard. They want more space. They want a washer dryer. They want access to, let's say a patio, terrace, little outdoor space, so they can, manage a little better. Some people are like, the companies I can make me come in for a while. I can do Zoom calls. I can work from home. I'm out of here. I'm going to the suburbs. I'm buying in Westchester. I'm buying in Long Island. I'm going out to New Jersey. Maybe nearby here in Jersey City Heights, people are looking. So these are different things that are happening in the real estate market. And when things start opening back up next week, if they do open up next week, we're going to see how this all works. And then we'll see what happens when all the inventory goes back on the market. Because the market's down, I think, percentage-wise on deals, not the price, but the number of deals over last year is down like 85% or something like that. And some deals are down 5%, 10%, 12%. Some one-off new devs are probably, 20%, depending on the deal. And they put in more concessions, so it's not just the price; it's concessions. It's mansion tax, transfer tax. The new development agrees to pay your common charges for X period of time. So we'll see what happens next week. Mortgage rates are extremely low. Money's being pumped into the economy. Will people come into the market? Will people go into New York City and try to get deals? I think that could definitely happen. Will people head out of New York City because they want to be safe with their family? That could definitely happen. So let's see where this thing goes. I'll keep you updated. Once again, this is Kilby Browne, the Property That's New York City team. I hope you are having a fantastic day. All the best from Arizona and I. Be safe. Bye-bye.